Okay, fam, I done finally made it to Walgreens. I just got off early. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get. They got this toothpaste, $4 each, and when you buy two, you get a $3 register reward. I got a $2 off one digital here, $2 off one digital here. So I'm gonna pay for out of pocket, and I get a $3 register rewards, which means these gonna be 50 cents each. And I'm gonna do this deal right here, 2 for $8 on a body wash. This deal right here, they brand, store brand body wash is pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll that register reward to lower my out of pocket. So I'm gonna pay $4 for that body wash because I'm gonna use that. Is it $4? Wait a minute. $3. I mean $5. $5, fam. I'm tired. I just got off from work. But I'm gonna roll that register $3 register reward from here to lower my out of pocket. So I'm gonna pay $5 out of pocket for that body wash. But I'm not getting anything else back. They got a lot of clearance. What did they have for $3.99? Because they done wiped them completely out. Oh, that Dove. That was a good deal right there. I missed that one. Wait a minute now. What is this here? $4.49. I'm gonna have to see if I got any digitals. Cause that's for that one right there. They got it on sale. Soothing Care. $4.49. Which one is it? I'm trying to see, fam. Cause if I got a digital, $2 digital, that baller right there cost me $2.49. I can't believe they had some of their Doves on sale. I'm at a different Walgreens. What is this? I always wanted to try these. Okay, let me see if I might end up getting this right here. Because I can roll that register reward from there. If I got that 5 off 3 digital. Okay, hold on, fam. Okay, I don't have any digitals. So I'm going to stick with that right there. But they got a lot of clearance in here. A lot of clearance. What was this? This was a man body wash for $1.49. This Walgreens right here, they be having a lot of deals. Save 6 off 3. Text Old Spice to that number. Okay. I'm gonna have to text that number. I ain't been couponing in so long, fam. What is this? Vaseline. Spend 25, get 10. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this Scottsdale right here. With that $1.25 digital, we pay $3.75. So I think I'm gonna get that. Which that is pretty good. That's a pretty good deal. This is my first transaction. I started with no register rewards. Y'all already know I ain't been couponing. It's been over a month. I know it's been a good month. Because I'm trying to use up all the items that I have at home before I go out and steady do the deals that I be seeing. Because for a simple fact, it don't do no good to keep running to Walgreens or to CVS doing couponing deals when I have enough at home. Because those sales, always remember, fam, those sales will come back around. If you don't catch it one week, or 2 weeks, that's fine. They're going to come back around. Trust and believe me, they're going to come back around. But this is neither here nor there. About that's little information that I want y'all to know. But this is my first transaction here. I did the Colgate deal. You buy 2, you get a $3 register reward, which I should have took a picture of it, but I didn't. And these are $4 a piece. That brought it to $8. I had $2 off one digital coupon, and that came off. So I paid $4 out of pocket, got back the $3 register reward, which made these 50 cents a piece. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see the 2 Colgate toothpaste. They $4 a piece, which brought it to $8. I had $2 off one digital coupon that came off. I paid $4 out of pocket. I got back the $3 register reward, which made these 50 cents a piece. So I rolled this register reward to my next transaction to get what I actually needed. So let's look at my next transaction. All right, here's my next transaction. I did the 2 for $8 on a Walgreens body wash. I usually do the Dove, but I ain't have no Dove coupons. So this is just like the Dove, just like it. If y'all haven't tried it, try it. I didn't have no digital coupons for this. Then I got the Scott, which is $5, and I had $1.25 Walgreens digital coupon that came off, and I rolled the register rewards from here onto this transaction, and I paid $8.75 out of pocket for both of these. Remember now, these is 2 for $8. That's $5. So for both of these, $8.75 out of pocket. Let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see the $4 for each one of these body washes, and the $5 for the Scott. That $1.25 digital store coupon came off, plus the $3 register reward right there came off. That brought my total to $8.75 out of pocket, which that is not bad for these two. I didn't get anything back, no type of register reward or anything, but they did give me this right here. Spend $30 on your next purchase, get $7 WAG cash. So I'm probably gonna coupon again this weekend before this expire, cause that I can do some damage with this. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. Always, 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 fam, get what you need. If you're not in need of any body wash, toothpaste, laundry, what else? A whole lot of other stuff. If you can skip some weeks couponing, that's fine. Long as you got enough in your stockpile at home that would cover you until you can coupon again, that's perfectly fine. Because we got to always remember, when it comes to this subtotal, that's cash money that's coming out of your pocket. And if you already got enough product at home, why would you coupon? Use that product, and when you start getting low, then you can start back coupon. It's okay to take a break. So until the next video, give me the thumbs up, share, 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 share. Y'all have a blessed and happy hump day. Bye-bye.